Today flavor of world with Dr. Asun based on chicken shawarma making. What is shawarma spice mix made of? Shawarma spice is made of various dry spices including coriander seeds, allspice berries, cumin pods, turmeric, black pepper berries, paprika, garlic powder, ginger and cloves. These spices have all been ground up and combined to create the shawarma blend of spices. Meanwhile, make yogurt sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together yogurt, lemon juice, oil, and garlic. Season with salt and a pinch of red pepper flakes.
To serve as a pita, top warmed pitas with chicken, onion, romaine, tomatoes, cucumber, and yogurt sauce. Shawarma bread, aka pita bread, non-flat bread, has never been easier than this. And you can even make it in a pan, stovetop, or an oven. Shawarma bread, pita bread, is so easy to make. All you need are 3 or 4, if you add oil, basic ingredients that I bet you already have in your kitchen. As chicken shawarma wraps, with tomato, lettuce, and a simple yogurt sauce on the side.
Other optional extras include red onion, cheese, hot sauce/chili sauce. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my this food channel kindly.